Well, I'm going to install another pump cup on this old lantern. It's missing the one that was on there, and it's a different kind now. It's just a little plastic pump cup. So I'm going to see if this new one will work on the old lantern. It should. I got to remove this clip first. See, it's missing the cup. So I gotta screw off this nut that's on there. Now this old style pump had the little threaded keeper on there. But with the some models, it's got this little keeper like that you got to take off. This one's permanent on there. These older ones are made permanent. So all I got to do now is put the cup on there and then screw the nut back on. That's a new cup pump on an old style. It seems to fit. We'll see. Put a little oil on it. A couple of drops. Spread that around. Now reinstall the pump back in on the lantern. A little tight fit. Got to work it in there. Seems to fit. Now I'll put this keeper back on. Gotta line that little holes up. It snapped in. Now let's see if it pumps up. Let me get it lubricated. Close the valve. Alright, now I need to pump it up. We open the valve on the pump. Give it a few pumps. Open this valve. Open the main fuel valve. There you go. It works. This cleans it. So the new pump works on the new pump cup. Will work on the old lantern pump. Turn that off. Turn this one off. There you go. Here's another tip. Another reason. At first I couldn't get my lantern to light because I found that it was the fuel cap doesn't have any seal in it. So you can get those off eBay for less than $10, but I have my spare cap, so I didn't do that. And if it's got a gasket in it, it is a real pain to get it out. There's a couple of videos on how to do that, but I didn't need to do it. So I got my spare fuel cap, and it's got the gasket in it. And this is a one-piece fuel cap. This, I believe, is a three-piece. It's got a gasket, a screw, and the little brass cap that goes over the gasket, and you tighten this up. And then it's another pain trying to get this screw out. So I just went with my spare fuel cap. And as you can see, it worked. It pumped up good. And the lantern worked.